Built for tough. The new Ford's Ranger delivers high-tech features, smart connectivity, enhanced capability, and versatility for work, family, and play. Sounds super glossy, isn't it? What innovation it brought is marvelous in two aspects. Firstly, the modifications, and secondly, the process of these modifications. Ford's latest is ready worldwide, but the sad part is that US and Canada will have to wait somewhat longer for next generation mid-size pickup. The mid-size truck has a longer wheelbase and comes with a Sync 4 featuring a large portrait screen after a long wait. Like after waiting forever, users can now get their hands on the new Ford Rover like 11 years since the T6 generation mid-size pickup went on a scale. Yes, it's true. So what were you looking for? More space? Don't worry, they got it all covered. The front, a new hard-reformed structure allowed the engineers to free up more space in the engine bay for a larger V6 turbo diesel engine. What's more, moving at the back, the track has been widened by 50 mm 2 inches to create a more spacious load area, big enough to accommodate a sheet of building plywood or a full-size pallet. Yes, you heard it right. Wait, one more thing is here. Well, if you look closer, you will notice a built-in side steps behind the rear wheels to provide easier access. Want even more? Okay, the loading area has a sturdy plastic molded bed liner that Ford promises will withstand the test of time thanks to its rugged construction. Yeah, that they have actually incorporated all of it. And have a look of the Expedition and Mach-E have an even larger display measuring 15.5 inches. The new pickup also gets a fully digital instrument cluster to keep up with the times. Yes, without experiencing it, how can you sleep tonight? We couldn't. There is a lot more, but for that you need to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon so that you may not miss any of the interesting updates that we bring for you in this channel.